Which car is mine? I have no idea. Which car is mine? It's this one. Which way is it to get home? I have no idea. Which language is the easiest to learn? Italian is the easiest language to learn. Which dress is the best? The red dress is the best. Which one is your jacket? I'm not sure. Which one is more expensive? Which picture is the most appealing? That picture is the most appealing. Which person is the most qualified for the job? This one is the most qualified for the job. Which food is the healthiest? The food on the right is the healthiest. Which face is happy? The face on the left is happy. Which face is sad? The face on the right is sad. Which house is the least expensive? That one there is the least expensive. Which way is it? I think it is the left path, or is it the right path? Which door is it? Which key is it? It's that one. Which car is faster? Which book is it? It's this one. Which television is the most expensive? The widescreen TV is the most expensive. Which one is tastier? The chocolate cake is tastier. Which room are you? I'm in room 50. Which room are we in? You're in room 125.